Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out RV Daydream, and today we need to talk about something that I touched on in the past, but we need to talk about again, and that is how we stay connected while we're on the road, but more importantly, how you can stay entertained while you're on the road. So let's jump into it.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
So as you guys know, watching me here on YouTube, I got a YouTube channel and we need to stay connected while we're on the road. Currently we're in Van Horn, Texas. We just came from South Padre Island, Texas, and all this traveling that we're doing, we have to be able to connect ourselves to the internet through cell phone towers so that we can keep on doing what we're doing, and that's shooting videos for you guys. Now, as far as what's being offered out there, I want you guys to be clear. There's a few ways that you can get internet. One of them is try to use the park Wi-Fi. Not recommended. You're probably not going to get what you want, and it's probably going to be something that's usable. The other thing you can do is get into some sort of a hotspot plan that you buy with your carrier through your phone service. The problem with that is they charge a lot of money, and their limitations on how much data you can use is pretty bad. I mean, if you're going to be a heavy user, like you want to watch all the TV and show and movies that you do at home on your satellite dish or your cable company, those hotspots you buy at T-Mobile or Verizon or AT&T, they're probably not going to do what you need them to do. So that's your other option. Now, the third option is find yourself somebody like I'm going to recommend, and that is a third-party supplier that has access to plans in large gigabyte amounts. What I mean is plans that you pay one price, no contract, nothing like that, and you will get a service that will be basically broadcast like a hotspot inside of your RV. It may even be a hotspot that gives you the ability to upload videos, download videos, more importantly for you guys to download videos, surf the internet, connect your phones. If you have a cell phone service plan that you're always running out of data when you're out on the road because you're watching videos and you're Facebooking and stuff, you can take your phone and connect it to the hotspot instead if you want to do that. And of course, watch movies, whether it be the movies are through an Amazon Fire Stick, or if it is a Roku device, which we use a Roku. But the Amazon Fire Stick, and that's what I'm going to tell you here in a second, a lot of people stream right on their tablets, on their MacBooks, on their PCs. You can do it that way also. If you have a smart TV, you can do it also through the smart TV, through different services. But let me tell you what we use and what we're recommending. But first, let's talk about the internet. So here's the internet. This is the internet coming in from the world. Basically, this is taking a cell phone tower signal that's picking it up on those two paddle antennas, and it's broadcasting a signal inside on these pencil antennas that we can use for data. Now, in my case, this one here, it's basically unlimited. You can see unlimited, reliable, mobile internet, never throttled or capped. Now, there are some limitations to that, but let's talk about this device just a little bit more. And that is, it's just plugged into the wall. That's all you do. You plug it into the wall, you put it in the window that picks up the best signal inside your unit. You may not even have to put it in the window. You might be able to just sit it on your desk or your table and just kind of point it in the direction that the cell tower is, and you should get a pretty good signal. We always have good luck just sticking it up in the window. Just so happens at this stop, this back window does a little bit better than where we normally put it up, and that's normally in the dinette window. But at this point, I have a hotspot that I can connect all of our devices to, including our movie watching devices. So that's what I want to talk about, movies and TV. But before I do, I just want to let you know that all this that I'm talking about is one call, one connection, one link away. And the link's down in the description. And it's for EasyCom LLC. Now, when you click that link, that's specific to us and our channel, so it lets them know we sent you there. What I want you to do is, if you have any questions to where you need to make a phone call and you want to talk with them, which they're more than happy to do, make sure that you tell them that you saw our video. You saw RV Daydream's video. I seen Mike in front of the camera with his big head, and he told me to give you a call. You need to make sure You hear our ice maker dropping ice over there. You want to make sure that you talk to him and let him know that you've seen this information with us and you want more clarification and you want to talk about what's available. And at that point, he's going to ask questions about what you want to do, where you're going to be, how you're going to travel, and he'll give you options, lots of options. Not only that, but if you feel as if you might have to connect in an area that's really desolate, he has all the antennas that you may need. Like in our case, we have a big antenna. Let me close these drawers here. He has a big antenna that you can put on the outside of your RV. I got a 25-foot mast that I can put up if I'm really in a spot that's like down in a valley or something and I don't have clear sight to the cell tower. Just tell him what you're experiencing and what you're wanting to do, and he'll dial you into whatever you need. In our case, this system that we have, we went through AT&T, but he also has Verizon, T-Mobile, and of course AT&T, and he has different plans for each one of those. Not only that, but he has a package that's available for TV service and movies. Yeah, that's right. Now, currently, without a TV package or a movie package like we have, we can watch stuff on Roku. We have Netflix we pay for. We can watch Netflix. We have a Prime membership with Amazon, so we can watch Prime movies. But if you want a lot of good movies, you know, a good source for TV, over-the-air TV, there's not a lot of options. So that's what he offers. So let me show you what that is. So this is the Amazon Fire Stick that he has, or I have connected to his service. And the service is called Simply the Best TV. What we're going to do is, it's connected to the internet already. We're going to go down to all the apps that I have that are loaded up on here. And you can see there's a bunch of other ones. Sling, I don't have that. That Sling was kind of expensive. I didn't really care for that. Hulu, I didn't really care for that one either. Tubi TV's free, Crackle's free. But here's his. He's got this one, and this is the one we want to talk about. It's called Simply the Best TV. Simply the Best TV is a service that's available for $50 a month, and you also get video on demand. On the right here, you see that's the program guide, and then here's the live TV. Now on your live TV, 9,425 channels you have available, and they've got them categorized pretty well, but if you find one and you want to make sure you don't lose it, you want to put it up into your favorites there. Now, if you have something like a Amazon Fire Cube, or I'm not sure what they call that, it's a little device that you can actually store movies. You can actually download TV shows and record TV shows. It's really nice if you do it through that cube, but that's not part of his service. That's part of the ability of that cube, that device. Now, if you have a smart TV, of course, you can just do this through a smart TV. And again, this is also the view you'd get if you were watching this through your tablet or your PC, which you can do all of those things. You can watch it on all of those. But you can see in this case just a couple of things. 43 local ABC channels, 43 CBS channels, Fox 46, 55 NBC. And there's a kids channel. And then if some people overseas, maybe you want to watch Australian, Ireland, George, gentleman that we have, the Dutch, there you go, Netherlands, 97 channels. You can watch that while you're on the road. See, that's a nice thing about it. This goes with you anywhere you're at. There's Thailand. There's also, let you know, there are adult channels on here. If you have kids, let them know, and they will make it to where the adult channels won't be accessible. It's something you got to watch, and it could be your kids want to, watch TV, and they may get a kick out of watching French TV. You never know. I remember when I was a kid, I used to like to watch Chinese TV for some reason, just to see what they had to say. So, what do you get with all this stuff? Well, you got, NBA Pass, MLB Pass, NFL Pass. All these channels are available. But if you just want to watch, let's say, your local ABC News, look at all these different channels that are available. Atlanta, Baltimore, Boston, Charlotte, Chicago, Cleveland.
Unvaccinated
whichever one's yours,
kind of
you just click that.
What's going on in one
you
state
double click it,
from what's going on in
and
another, what's going on in
that's what you get. I mean, I think that the ability to watch TV shows, you can see it's a kid's show, I think that it's pretty awesome. It'd be anywhere in the world, ultimately, but definitely in the U.S., and you're able to watch these channels. Now, you would think at that point, $50 a month, that's nice. I can watch all those channels. I won't miss my shows necessarily. My USAA shows, I won't be able to miss those. You know, there might be some other ones on here. Sports, lots of sports. You can see all these sports channels in here. 211 ESPN and ESPN Plus, sports and outdoors. There's NBC Sports, 4K channels. So if you got a 4K setup, 199 4K sports, 226 Wide World of Sports, all 4K. Pay-per-view events. It's just slick. It's very, very slick. That all these are available for, again, $50 a month. But that's not what I think is the best. My preference is the video on demand. And the video on demand, same deal, unlimited internet to watch as much as you want. And look at how many movies are here. 26,207? Come on. There's no way I could watch all those. Now, they've categorized them to the best that they could, but again, if you have a favorite movie or something, you can put it up in your favorites and then go back and watch them, you know, at a later time. They'll be categorized and saved there. But Amazon originals, Apple Plus originals, Hulu originals, Netflix originals, 2,000 comedies. And just to give you an idea, let's see what kind of comedies we have. Now, I have this categorized backwards, Z to A, because I was already going through the A to Z's. You know, these are some cult classics that you like to go back and watch. Zoolander, Zoolander 2. There's Zombieland. Don't Mess with Zohan. Just lots. And as I go down here, you can see there's Waiting. So let's see what's happened in Vegas. Let's go ahead and do that one real quick. As far as the movie's concerned, it's a high-quality movie. You're going to be able to fast forward, rewind, pause, and the nice thing is as long as you're powered on, you can come back to that and it'll ask you, do you want to resume this movie? Now, you can get an idea right now that it's slow loading because of two things. Number one, I've got my computer connected to it and I've actually got something downloading and I might not be able to watch it because of that. I feel bad that I'm showing this to you now, because I think that's exactly what the case is. There we go. So there's Welcome to the Jungle. Let's see if this comes up. Like I said, I'm doing some internet stuff there. But good quality. I mean, good quality picture. It's just like you would expect. It's movies. And like I said, just in comedy alone, 2,000. And you can see some of the other ones. Now, here's the other thing, too. There are adults, 1,785 adult movies. Of course, I'm not going to click on that. If you don't want those on there, let them know. They will not have them activated. So, sci-fi, 162 sci-fi. I like sci-fi, so that's kind of cool. War movies, thriller movies, anything that you really want to watch. $50 a month. $50 a month gets you both Simply the Best TV and video on demand. Now, he has a package that's available right now that gets you this stupid, super fast internet, even faster than what I have, and both those channels, as the ice drops over there again, and both of those channel sources or those app sources, definitely check into that. Let him know what you're wanting to do, where you're wanting to travel, and I'm telling you, this is the easiest way to get stuff done on the road. Now, ultimately, we're all going to be in the same boat as what I am, and that is, I don't want to watch TV. I really don't want to watch TV, but I'm telling you, we have been caught in monsoons, snow, cold, and we've been stuck inside the RV. And I am sure glad that I have that recliner and I have those channels to be able to watch and stay tuned and entertained on a rainy day. I mean, it really, really is nice. Now, some of you guys may have those whole satellite dish things, which work fine, but the investment that's involved and the trouble of having to set it up and put the dish out and position it and have a cable draped across, and is somebody going to hit it? Oh, the mowing crew's coming now. I got to move all that crap out of the way so they can mow. Oh, I got to put it back. Oh, the guy across from me is pulling out. Let me go move it so he don't run it over. It's chained down because somebody might steal it. All that. You don't have to worry about all that. You've got this. So the link's in the description. I encourage you to use the link. Once you're in there, look at the options that are available. If you see something you want to order, go ahead and move forward with it. Pretty easy to do. At that point, if you have questions though, and you want to say, hey, I'm thinking about putting up a big antenna, I need some other hardware, let him know. Give him a call. Just tell him Mike from RVdaydream told you to give him a call, and he'll set you up with the TV and internet service that they need or that you want for your entertainment value. And the nice thing, again, this goes from home to RV back to home. So if you're just a part-timer, we're full-timers, but if you're just a part-timer, great. You know, you can do this. You can use it as a home substitute for internet. And you have all these movies too. If you want, and you're a full-timer, and you need to stay connected, so far this is the best way for me. And I'm glad, because you guys know, as you can tell by this video, my videos are usually pretty lengthy, chatty, long. Hour-long videos, I upload it. No problem. Sit down, watch Roku, sit down, watch internet, Netflix, or their video on demand or TV service, no problem. So again, links down below. I hope this helped you out. Everybody, please quit paying those big dollar money payments to the internet providers or the data providers through your cell service. Go with a third-party carrier like Jesse out at EasyCom, and you're going to be happy you did. It'll really lighten things up. You'll be enlightened, and you'll be very happy. So I'll talk to you guys later, and as always, we hope to see you out there. Bye.